of creativity and connection behind our campaigns. Let's give the floor to Miss Orange Ramirez, Vice President and Head of Marketing for Converge. Ang ina ng palakpakan! Palakpakan!
Hello everyone! Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nag-enjoy din ako sa energy binigay nyo ngayong gabi. You know, shout out to our Filipino youth. Shout out sa inyo! Thank you for your energy, your passion, your commitment. And thank you also to our Converge student lead ambassadors. You continue to inspire us and be committed to provide you your needs and empower your future. Thank you also to our media partners for being here tonight. And you've been here with us in this journey. Yung nag-product launch pa lang kami dati, no? Ngayon, meron na tayong community. No? And bear in mind, you are always part of this community. No? We will grow this together. We will learn together. And we will propel this country to a better future. Of course, with all of you and with our youth, with our Filipino youth. Lahat kayo may tatak Pinoy. Ready for the world. And I'm very, very proud of all of you guys. And yung mic natin, yan, napatay ko pala. And lastly, ano nga bang pangalan ng ating gaming plan? Game Changer! At para talaga ito sa inyo, ang ating Filipino youth. Sa totoo lang, kayo ang game changer. Kayo ang rason kung bakit din may game changer. So nag-a-adapt kasi din talaga si Converge para sa future, para sa inyo. No? And of course, you guys are the ones who are, propelling or making the path to our future. That you're the future of this country. You are our hope. You are the game changer in a sense that you know no boundaries. You push the limits. That's why we are evolving. And bear in mind that, with your courage, with your passion, with your commitment, you actually redefine what is possible in your future and in this world. So thank you very much. I hope you had a great time today.